Hi guys, so here I am back with this week's video. This will be another one of my clean-ish minimalist home tour. How a normal average person who is also a minimalist would live her life. And you will get to see it this week. So without further ado, let's start my minimalist home tour. Let's go. Let's start this week's tour in my bathroom. You can see that I just flushed my toilet. But same as last week, nothing there because my shampoo and conditioner are actually up there, and I'm also using a makeup remover because I'm trying to take care of my skin a little bit more. And over there, you can see my shower head, and then you can see my razor resting there. I got 2-in-1 razor, so here's a new one. So I guess I'm keeping more than an item at a time, but it's fine. And down here are some cleaning gears. I use this top scrubber for top surfaces and that big scrubber for floors and toilet and stuff like that. And there's a Clorox for killing mold, and that's just like a spray cleaner thing. So yeah, I don't really make my own cleaning products, but maybe one day I will be able to, we'll see. And over here you can see there's nothing except my light over there, and there's a window for ventilation should I need to ventilate after a shower or something. But you can see this is my lotion, and this one actually my mom gave it to me, so I got 2 lotions right now, but normally I would only have one, and I'll use up that one completely before buying another one. But that's what's going on. You can see my tweezer, toilet paper, and over there is some hair product and 2 of toothpaste, and then my toothbrush. So that's it for the bathroom. So this is my living room, so you can kind of get a good idea of how big it is. I'm gonna have to like cut the tour pretty quick because I just got a call. I gotta go back to my work for some kind of emergency. But anyways, here's my bed. I got another pillow actually, so that one was my original on the bottom. I'm gonna use that as a body pillow. I got a much softer one, so I think I'm gonna keep those 2 for now, and of course get rid of one if it becomes too much. But for now they're fine. Here's some laundry. There's my backpack. And in the fridge situation, let me just show you real quick. Some food trash and clams that I need to cook. Some delivery food that I'm gonna warm up later, and then a bunch of grapes. Those grapes were a gift for from a work-related person. So that's what's up. And there's a box that I need to throw out, so I guess it's not completely clean in my house. The dishes that I didn't do. In my kitchen, you can see over here, there's pretty much nothing except for some rice packets and Brita filter for my water needs. My Brita's out. Down here, bunch of toilet paper, and then some laundry detergent, and then the laundry. So I'm sorry guys, I'm gonna have to cut the tour shorter than I intended, but yeah, I guess this week you can kind of see how big my place is. And I'm really happy that I cleaned my place a bit, and this needs to go back here. Again, this is a reminder, it's okay not to be perfect, as long as you're working towards being better, which is very, very important. So I hope you guys like this week's tour. Let me just do an outro. Hi guys, so that was my minimalist home tour. I hope you guys liked it. If you liked it, please like and subscribe. And I'll catch you guys next week with more video. Bye! Thank you always.